Hi, my name is April and we're here at Bob Ross Auto Group today, and I'm going to show you how to use the Android Auto. So my phone already has the app installed. It's a little blue app that says Android Auto. You'll find it in your Google Play Store. Once you have it installed and you have allowed all of the permissions, you take your cord, plug it into the USB outlet, and it'll come up on the screen, and the emblem will go from gray to blue, and as you can see it's white and blue, so it's ready to go. And you'll simply tap on it, and some of the options it gives you are your Google Maps. It'll show you your recent places, and you can type in just like you would on your phone where you would like to head. Next up, you have your phone log. Your home screen right here will show you different places that you may have been, the local weather. It looks like there's an install available, and this morning my kids were listening to Kids Bop. Next over here you have your music that's on your phone. Mine's on Amazon Music right now. You can toggle down and have the Amazon, Google Play, some podcasts, and some YouTube music. And then this returns you back to your home screen. Two of the most common troubleshooting features with Android Auto are it's not working. First, you need to check your cord. The dollar store cords typically do not work. You need to get a higher quality one. It's recommended that you use the one that came with the phone. Second, the next most common one is you need to uninstall the app, reinstall it, and make sure you set allow to all of the permissions. Even if you deny one of them, it'll shut the whole app down and it won't work properly. If you have any more questions, drop us a link below and we'll be sure to get to it and answer your questions or do another video for you. Thanks for stopping by.